Hello and welcome to glittershinenails. I recently purchased a new clear jelly stamper stamping plate from the UK stockist Nail.supplies. So in this video I'll be swatching and reviewing CJS-72. If it ain't Baroque, don't fix it. As always, you can find all the information on where to purchase from in the description box below. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you have the bell notification turned on. And please also like this video. These really do help out my channel, thank you. So I have my scraper and my Big Bling XL stamper in pink from Clear Jelly Stamper. I have 5 coloured nail tips that I'll be swatching onto, and for my first I'm going to show you how to use this design at the bottom. I'm going to use a white nail tip along with 2 green stamping polishes. When I lay the first green down, the light green, I'll actually apply it over the outer line of the image as well as inside the design. When it comes to scraping, I'll go really slow. My scraper is also super low as I can get it. My thumb is actually scraping over the plate. I have found that this gave me the perfect swatch. I also want to try this again over other open space images. I'm then going to come in with the teal green, and I love this colour, and when I place it, it's going to sit right on the edge of that green and white. This type of design looks absolutely amazing and I definitely want to use this one. For the second swatch, I'm going to do this flower design using the base layering trick that I recently showed, that I picked up from Sarah R's channel. I'm going to use a white nail tip along with a light grey stamping polish first, and using that grey I'm going to swatch the outer layer first. This over the white is going to give me a super faint but excellent guide. I'm then going to use the pink stamping polish for the flower and the 2 greens for the leafed part of this design, and I'm just going to fill in the base layer with the colours. I first used this trick on the Clear Jelly Stamper CJS-72 Romantic Rebel, and it really helped with layering and getting them in the right place. And to be fair, you can hardly see the light grey when it's all finished. I used it a lot on this plate, especially with the large designs, because when I first looked at them, they really did pickle my mind. I used this design in my mani as well, and I really like the outcome, but this swatch is stunning. For the third swatch, I'm going to use a yellow nail tip along with a burgundy and white stamping polish. With these 2 images, you could very easily use them on their own, but when you put them together, they look amazing. I will say that my lining up with the white dot layer at the bottom of the nail is slightly off, and you can really see it on my mani. But I've never thought of putting dots over the diamond pattern. I've got quite a few plates that have this type of design on. Might have to give that a try on some of them by adding the little dots. And I love this colour combo, it's really bright and cheerful. For the fourth swatch, I'm going to use a pink nail tip along with 2 pinks and a purple stamping polish. Again, I'm going to use the base layer in the light grey. I'm going to do this floral image here. I'm also going to put it across the nail to get more of the image onto the nail tip. Now you will see that I changed the colour and use a white as well. I actually put the colours in the wrong place. But I'm just going to fill in the base layer again with the colours. Now I did have to really look at this one, as the flowers aren't in the order I was expecting them to be, and this was why I was very thankful for that base layer. Now when I add my top layer, it didn't line up as well as I had hoped for, but to be fair, on layering designs it really doesn't matter if it's slightly off. but this is a beautiful design though, and any colour combo will work beautifully. For the fifth swatch, I'm going to use a blue nail tip along with a blue and white stamping polish. This again is such a pretty design, but there again, this plate is full of them. Now I have been removing the excess through the video with my lint roller, but you could use sellotape or the scraper, or even stamp the whole design down and remove the excess with a cotton bud and acetone. This however really only works on gel polished nails, but I love this design and I really like it in the blue and white combo. And then here they are all together, so let's move on to the photo swatches and mani that I've created from Clear Jelly Stamper CJS-72. If it ain't Baroque, don't fix it. CJS-72, if it ain't Baroque, don't fix it, is an utterly stunning stamping plate. I've taken 20 swatches in total, but there is a real good mix of small and large designs. There is also a good mix of how many layers there are in the designs, from the 2-layer designs all the way to the 3 and 4 layers. The big floral designs on the white backgrounds, I have used the base layer trick for them. It really made them much easier to achieve. I purchased CJS-72 at the same time I purchased CJS-LC31 Romantic Rebel, and I have to say that I think some of these floral designs on CJS-72 will work brilliantly with the skulls. But there again, the two plates will work fantastically together, floral to floral. And it's definitely something I want to try to use in a mani using both of them. As always with Clear Jelly Stamper plates, they're amazing quality and very easy to work with. I was so surprised that the two large opened images at the bottom worked so well for me. If you've seen many of my videos, you'll know that I'm not very good at them at all. However, scraping really slowly, which I showed you in the video section, really made it so easy to get an amazing swatch. I was so impressed. CJS-72 is definitely a plate I could see being very, very popular with people. It's absolutely stunning and one that I absolutely love and definitely recommend if you love images like these. The layering floral designs are out of this world and something that I don't think I've ever seen. But if you're struggling with layering, try the base layer trick. It really does make a difference. For the mani, I had a shimmery pink nail polish and I thought it would work well with pinks and purples that I wanted to use for the colours for this mani. I absolutely love this mani and it has to be now one of my favourites. And yes, them florals, I use the base trick. I would never have got such good placement if I hadn't have done this. But I love every part of this mani. My dots aren't quite in line, but to be fair, I don't think it really matters. I absolutely love this mani and I really didn't want to take it off. It is just so pretty. All of my swatches will be over on my Instagram page in the next few days, along with the mani and what products I've used. You can find a link to my Instagram page in the description box below. Thank you for viewing my swatch review on Clear Jelly Stamper CJS-72. If it ain't Baroque, don't fix it. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below. I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, happy stamping and bye.